Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam has asserted that upcoming visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi will present a big test for people of Manipur on political consciousness. The MP was speaking on the sideline of a national seminar on a topic challenging myths beyond menstrual hygiene at GP Women's College today. The MP also inaugurated a sanitary pad vending machine, incinerator machine and RO water at the college. Speaking further, MP Bimol Akoijam said people are well aware on how Centre treated the crisis in Manipur, which has been continuing for over 2 years now. The way people in Manipur treat the visit by Prime Minister Modi will give a clear picture on political consciousness and maturity of people in the state. The MP also spoke about the significance of installing sanitary pad vending machine and incinerator machines at colleges and institutions. He also added that so far, the machines have been installed at 20 colleges and institutions of Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency.
Government of India Tauriba Mong, state government Taugiba Mong, Asiana talked to Labam Zavung and the Labour Mayam Jurgan. I need is a Manipur Mayam Mazaka might receive Taugetuni. Manipur Miam Sakaram Makangi political consciousness labor Kambuno, Mina Kwese Kamani Yingi, Hiven the Chingbudu, Manipur Miam Sina Karmain Tautana, I visits the response Taugetuni, I'm using is Adu Makanga Matauta Haita.